we are more than just a trading community. Yes, meron kaming trading court na katulad ng ibang communities. May modules, may chart analysis, may weekly session, sharing din ng mga setups. Pero ang meron kami na hindi mo madalas makita sa iba ay accountability. Ito kasi hindi lang basta post and flex. Dito aminan ng pagkatalo, sharing ng mga struggles, ng emotion, and most of all, yung real growth. Yung mga students namin hindi lang sumasabay sa hype. Talagang nag-evolve sila bilang isang disciplined traders. They're learning to manage losses, na-track yung progress, and syempre walang judgment. This is a safe space for serious traders. Whether newbie ka or seasoned trader ka na, para sa'yo talaga ang Pinoy's in Profit community. So if you are looking for a trading family, not just a community, type mo naman ng community sa comment section. And also, we encourage you to visit our website para mas makilala mo pa kami.